Previously on Avatar.
Doesn't look good for OTF and Lil Durk because they already said, bro, we're not trying to show the jury you guys are dangerous, all of this stuff. So now what you guys have done is you have officially pissed off the feds, and now you might help the damn feds case to say, yo, we're gonna go ahead and try to really push for this because the feds already watched this shit. I don't want to sound like Captain Obvious, but god dang. Here you go right here. Proposed order. This literally happened yesterday. Freaking day. So here you have all of the freaking people. Then it says, for good cause shown, it is hereby ordered that the government's exhibit regarding an improper photograph taken during the November 18, 2025 hearing and published online shall be kept under seal until further order of the court. Man, rocket scientists didn't need to figure this one out. Hell, a 5-year-old could have figured this out. Long story short, bruh, we knew this shit was going to happen. Please don't play dumb and say anything out of the realm of possibilities, because once I said that, 1 hour later, the rest of this shit started to come out. Let's go. So here we go. As y'all can tell already, this is a 305 right here. Yeah, all of this crap, man. So you have government's ex parte application for order, sealing document, memorandum of points and authorities, declaration of Daniel H. Weiner. And we're just going to scroll on down. This ex parte application is based upon the attached memorandum of points and authorities and declaration of Daniel H. Weiner, dated November 19, 2025. Yeah, it's finna get a little tricky right here. Plaintiff, United States of America requests that this court seal the government's exhibit regarding an improper photograph taken during the November 18, 2025 hearing and published online. The court has inherent supervisory authority to seal documents in appropriate circumstances. Here, for reasons described in the attached declaration, sealing of an exhibit is necessary to protect further dissemination of the improper photograph. The government accordingly requests that the exhibit be maintained under seal until further order of the court, dated November 19, 2025. And y'all see all of this crap right here. And he says, I'm an assistant, blah, blah, blah. And he says, I make this declaration in support of the government's ex parte application for an order sealing the government's exhibit regarding an improper photograph taken during November 18, 2025 hearing and published online. The government requests leave to file this exhibit under seal. The above described exhibit depicts certain defendants and counsel during the November 18, 2025 hearing in this matter. Sealing of the exhibit is necessary to avoid further dissemination of the improper photograph. Accordingly, the government requests that the exhibit be kept under seal until further order of the court. Counsel for defendants have advised the government that they have no objection to the government's request to file the exhibit under seal. As of the time of this filing, the government was unable to obtain a position from counsel for defendant Wilson. I declare under penalty of perjury, under the laws of the United States of America, that the foregoing is true and correct, and to the best of my knowledge and belief that this declaration was executed on November 19th at Los Angeles, California. So here y'all go right here. All of this crap, it got filed, it got done. Oh, yeah. Remember what I said in the beginning of the freaking video? Yeah, when I said, hey, bruh, that right there will literally give the damn justification for the feds to say, yo, we need to impanel the jury and make them anonymous. Yeah, duh, because you morons are going up to the freaking courthouse snapping god dang pictures, bruh. Roll it. So here you go right here. United States District Court. And then it says government's notice of lodging under seal exhibit regarding improper photograph taken during the November 18th hearing and published online. Plaintiff, United States of America hereby files this notice of lodging an under seal exhibit regarding an improper photograph taken during November 18th, 2025 hearing and published online. This filing is based upon the attached memorandum of points and authorities, blah, blah, blah. Let's just get all the way straight into it. On November 18, 2025, this court held a hearing on multiple pretrial motions, including the government's motion requesting that the court impanel an anonymous jury. Among other things, the government's motion explained that an anonymous jury was necessary because of the significant risk of interference with witnesses in the judicial process. See docket number 235 at 10 through 14. And due to the extensive and continuous national publicity, in this case CID at 14 through 26, consistent with these concerns, the government received information today that at least one photograph was taken during the hearing, depicting certain defendants in counsel. See exhibit under seal. The photograph taken in violation of Federal Crim P53, prohibiting courtroom photography. We talked about this yesterday. Has been published on at least 3 different websites: Reddit, Instagram, and Facebook. This blatant violation of federal rules in the following widespread dissemination of the photograph underscores that an anonymous jury is only one of the security measures this court should employ to prevent improper attempts to intimidate and/or influence jurors, ensure a fair trial for all parties, and protect the judicial process. Basically saying you just helped us score a large victory against Lil Durk. And I'm going to explain a little bit further why you... Let's just get on to it.
Hey, yo, can you subscribe and turn on that bell too? Because when you do, you're helping unbiased, independent news.
There are people who mean well, do wrong. Who do wrong, but think it will be well at the end. If you've ever been to a federal courtroom, they tell you day and night and day, don't snap no doggone pictures. Hell, when I went, they put my damn, not even just there. In the freaking YSL trial, bro, they had these little patches, these little doggone freaking things that you had to put your phones in and all this crap. So for that person to do that, man, listen, man, I'm fairly certain they didn't mean no harm. They probably was trying to help people out and all that crap, bro. But end of the day, you just hurt Lil Durk. You just hurt Lil Durk. You literally just hurt Lil Durk. And I hope they find you. I hope they find you. And I hope they fine you. I don't wish jail on you, but you don't need to come back to that courtroom, bro. So whoever took the picture, bro, I don't know if they work for the feds. I don't know if they're a super fan. I don't know none of that crap. But what I do know is that the feds should already know. And if they don't, then so be it. Because there are times when you need someone. I'm joking. But now there are times where you just know certain people and certain things are going to happen. You can see like Ceddy Nash coming near your nearest buffet, bro. It's going to happen. I'm going to end up leaving with about 2-3 plates. You feel me? Finesse 2 times getting caught with drugs, in Texas. September 20th, October 20th. Just those things just happen, man. But end of the day, this just proved every effing thing the damn feds said. They said fans was calling Lil Durk'S. Calling freaking little people, not even fans, just fans as well. But people were basically calling judges, lawyers, DAs, all of this crap and threatening them in the name of OTF. Now people are taking pictures in federal courtrooms and all this crap. And the feds are going to say, in a matter of OTF, y'all just screwed this man. I don't know how the judge doesn't say, damn, you know what, bro? We might need that extra security. Maybe the judge basically says this. Hey, bro, y'all better know this. Real simple, real short, real fast. Don't take any pictures in here or we're going to throw you to the gulag. Or throw you into the gulag. And those little, they're called like, I don't know. OtterBox is the freaking, what's the name? Anyways, it's just no great thing where they put it on. It's like a magnet to take it off. Anyways, long story short, they'll be able to fix this. I just don't know. I think ultimately the freaking feds know that if the doggone plaintiffs here are accused of being violent criminals who can orchestrate crimes from different time zones and all this stuff and intimidate judges, intimidate DAs, intimidate a whole bevy of people, they're going to automatically look at their situation and go, they're going to intimidate me too. So nah, man, I ain't feeling none of this crap. It is what it is. Share to keep your people aware. Subscribe, turn that bell, stay notified. Finesse 2 times, right back in jail. Click right here to find out why. He already explained it on his way to jail, but click right here, and we're going to disseminate a whole bunch of shit. Click right here or click right here for the playlist. You already know, if you hit the like button, man, and comment on every video and be a subscriber, you win one of these for free. If y'all believe it's empty, just so be it. Don't mind me. I'll catch y'all on the next one.